Good afternoon once again, YouTube friends, and this afternoon I'll show you we have this garden enclosure made of this green screen and some PVC pipes to help support this garden enclosure. And then inside we have these onion chives that I just weeded this out like 2 weeks ago, and see, or maybe a month ago. Time so fast. And now we have these so kind of messy inside, but I have to gather this soil here inside this plastic polyethylene bags and some pots in here. We still have soil to gather on, and then we'll have to arrange inside here, but we have to clean the grass here, the weeds. We have to clean it first and then put those pots that we have outside, and we will start arranging the look in here. So this will be part one of my the title of the vlog would be garden enclosure, or maybe what's that? Okay, garden enclosure part one. Or let me think of a possible or better than that, but this video will be part one. And the next thing that you're going to see here would be some pots that we have already arranged with soil in it. And I think the third part, or part three, will be the time of planting our two varieties of eggplants, and we have cabbage as well and cedar tomatoes. And of course we have so much number of seedlings this time, so I'm for sure that we can only plant a few here, and the rest, but I'll try that all tomatoes will be here inside. And so we have this four like trellis kind of support to our vegetables, so likely for tomatoes, and then our eggplants, the Black Beauty and the F1 hybrid, will be somewhere in the corner, maybe in the middle if we can plant that one as well. Likely the cabbages will be in the middle. Yeah, and I'm thinking of gathering those banana trunk right there, and we'll do some kind of plot here above the cemented area here. And yeah, see the tomato. So let me figure this out, but it will be a beautiful one for the next part or part two. And of course I have to start cleaning that one. I cannot do live streaming right now because I have a free tournament in poker like 15 minutes after. So I'm still waiting for the time for the tournament to open. So with that, I can no longer do live streaming while I'm cleaning here. But of course, this is my goal before Mama arrive. This December 21, today is December 12. So I only have like 11 days to go. And that 11 days to go, maybe just 2 days that I can possibly have an all day free time. That's Saturday and Sunday. But the rest of that, maybe 20 minutes, 30 minutes for cleaning here in the afternoon after I get back from work. But in the morning, I have to wake up early with my wife and head to our work, to school. And at the same time, I have to prepare for my midterm exams for my Matayum 1 to 6 students. And I scheduled my first debate, a classroom debate with my Matayum 3, 2 sections. Matayum 6, grade 12 and grade 9. So 2 sections each level. So there will be 4 debate this month. And January as well. And I have an ongoing competition in the February. So my time is really saturated. I don't know how to budget my time. I don't know how to balance, to juggle my time in between teaching and related stuffs and gardening. At the same time, I do play for tournament poker and also goes analyzing the market. Ah, I don't know how to manage my time anymore. But anyway, I'm already here. I'm all in into all these activities. So let's get back here. Let's get back here. Let's get back here. There's no edit here, YouTube friends. We only have one root beetroot plant remaining, and I think maybe that one too. But here I'm not sure if this is beetroot. Maybe not that one. We have so much beetroot seedlings here that grow. I seeded here the beetroot like a month ago, but because there was still so much like amount of rain that 2 weeks right after I planted the beetroot seeds here, and that was my fault that I planted all the seeds. I did not like reserve some 50% of it. This was the pack, and I'm really disappointed because this was given to me from an Australian friend together with that Black Beauty eggplant, a large variety of eggplant. But I think we are somewhat successful with the eggplants. The seedlings are quite healthy. It's only the beetroot right now that not just kind of struggle, but I don't know if this one will survive. I'll try to find in the market if I could find this kind of variety, and we'll try to replant here. But if not, then probably I change to cabbage or maybe eggplant. So tomato likely will be here. Cause eggplants you don't need trellis most of the time, but tomatoes does, and cabbage you don't have to as well. And we'll add more different kinds of vegetables here, probably peas, beans, I don't know. Let's just figure this out first. Or maybe carrots, radish. We have onions already, and I'm thinking of planting onions and garlic, shallots probably, because I cannot find seeds for the white onion. But for shallots, it's easy. You can plant through seeds, and it's not that expensive as well. And garlic too. So thank you, YouTube friends, for watching. See you on the next. This is part 1. Garden enclosures. I have to make it sure. Garden enclosure part 1. See you. Bye.